Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shani and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new AirPods. So I decided to get some AirPods as a birthday gift to myself because my birthday is on Monday and I've always wanted AirPods, and they had a good excuse me, they had a good sale on AirPods on Best Buy, so I always wanted some, so I decided to get some. Also got a cute set of AirPod case, well, one AirPod case. So we're gonna get into the unboxing. I like to do unboxings on my channel. I don't know why. I'm just ripping this open, honestly. Yeah. So this is the box that they're in. I got these from Best Buy. These are the AirPod 2, the second generation. And yeah, let me get some scissors. And my case is like so cute. So give y'all a little bit of box ASMR of me slicing this tape. Let's get really close to the mic. Ooh. Okay. There we go. So they're so small, so tiny. That's what they look like. Very obvious. And then in the box, we've got our cable. I thought they would have like the regular charger piece too, but I guess not. So I have to provide that myself. And yeah. These were open box on Best Buy, so I guess that's why they don't have the charger piece. I don't know if they come with a charger piece or not, but it doesn't have like any of the other stuff that will usually be in here. But that's what they look like. Small little babies. Both of them here. And then now I'm going to show you guys my case. So I got this Kuromi case from Amazon. And I love Kuromi. I think Kuromi is so cute. And I've been wanting this case for the longest time. Like even before I knew that I wanted to get earpods. But this is what the Kuromi case looks like. It has like this little dongle little thing on it. And then it also came with this Kuromi keychain and this little piece. I love Kuromi so much. She's so adorable. And I love this. So now we're going to connect them to my phone. Also got this cute Sailor Moon case from Amazon too as a birthday gift to myself. It has this Luna little thingy. And then it also has this lanyard. And it's really cute and has like the hand strap and all this. So let's connect these bad boys to my phone. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly because they don't really have instructions. I didn't have the case open. Okay, here we go. I'm dumb. I had to open the case. So we're going to click connect. You know, not very smart. Okay, set up Hey Siri. Use Siri. Okay. Now it's audio messages. Oh, they're like dead. They're like almost dead. Okay. So the case is dead, but these are like 80. Okay. Done. So now we have them. I feel so cool. Like, oh my God. All right. So let me put them in the case. See how it looks in the case. So cute. Take out this. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. I can't peel this out. Jesus. Okay. And just scoop those in there. And then put the lid on. I wish that it was connected because I feel like I'm going to lose this. But it's so cute. It's so cute. Yeah. I feel like I would lose these. But okay. It's kind of puts them on like that. So let's put these in our ear. Oh, I heard a noise in my ear. They fit my ear pretty snug. They fit like the regular headphones. So let's go to Spotify. Let's play some Ari Lennox. Okay, I got it. Whatever. Gonna listen to some Ari Lennox and see how this goes, how it sounds. Okay. They're very, like, I like the audio quality. It sounds just like the regular earpods. And they fit, like, really snug, like, in my ear, which I like. I don't feel like these would fall out, like, when I'm cooking and stuff like that. I feel like they'd be fine. And I can kind of, I can hear myself still talk. I can kind of hear stuff going on, like, in the next, I can't hear anything going on in the next room, but I can hear myself. Nice, nice. I just need to record some audio. Let me record a voice message and see how it works, so I can see how the audio sounds. So let's go to voice memos. Hello. Hello, I just got some new earpods. Let's see how these sound. Alright. Do I want to play this out loud or do I want to play these in this? It sounds kind of echoey, but I don't know. Like, it sounds like there's, like, some far away, like, distance or whatever. But, yeah. Honestly, I like these. I'm happy I got these finally. I've always wanted them. I'm glad I have a cute case. I love Kuromi so much. It's so adorable. Probably definitely gonna get some more cases. I saw this really cute case on AliExpress that I really want, so I'm probably gonna get that, like, really soon. Whenever, like, AliExpress, like, deliveries are back. So I'll probably end up doing that. And if you guys want to see an unboxing of earpod cases and stuff like that, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.